This is an exercise that involves simple interest. What is the simple interest on a principal of $120 at the interest rate of 7.1% for 1 year? We have a formula for finding simple interest. The interest, I, is equal to principal times rate times time. So P is principal, R is the interest rate, and T is the time of the investment. And we'll just substitute for P, R, and T in this formula to find the interest. We're told that the principal is $120, so we'll substitute that for P. The interest rate is 7.1%. Substitute that for R. And we're told that this investment is made for 1 year, so we substitute 1 for T. And now we want to perform this computation. And to do that, we will first write 7.1% in decimal notation. We'll write 0.071. And now we can go ahead and multiply 120 times 0.071 times 1, and we get $8.52. So this is the simple interest.